The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
Because the kitchen is the heart of the home, designing this space to be a more refreshing and contemporary look is the best choice. Therefore, knowing the current kitchen with tiles trends is very important for designing this place. So you need to know what the trends in kitchen tiles design today that you can apply to your project. Here we will show you the best design kitchen with tiles that following the trends for your ideas and inspiration. Subway tiles with a twist. It is a traditional subway tiles with a modern twist, such as larger formats, colored grout, or textured surfaces, offer a fresh take on a classic look. Patterned tiles. This tile is a bold and intricate patterns like Moroccan, geometric, or floral designs can add a vibrant and eye-catching element to kitchen backsplashes or floors. Terrazzo. Terrazzo is a versatile flooring material made from precast marble chipping embedded in a base of cement or epoxy resin, offering a playful yet sophisticated vibe in kitchens. Large format tiles. A kitchen tiles that comes with an oversized format and minimized grout lines, creating a sleek and seamless appearance, especially for kitchen floors. Hexagonal tiles. These hexagonal kitchen tiles can add a contemporary and geometric flair, coming in various sizes and materials. Textured finishes. There are some variation of this kitchen texture. Finished tiles such as matte, textured, or 3D tiles provide depth and character, adding visual interest to kitchen walls or backsplashes. Natural stone. This kitchen tiles are made directly from natural source, like marble, travertine, or slate continue to be popular due to their timeless elegance and durability. Metallic finishes. This is a kitchen tiles with metallic accents or finishes, such as copper, brass, or stainless steel, can introduce a touch of luxury and modernity. Handcrafted and artisanal tiles offers a unique look and colors. This handcrafted Katish tiles with irregularities and artistic details bring a personalized touch to kitchen designs. Colorful tiles. A kitchen tiles with vibrant and bold colored tiles, whether in solid hues or patterns, add energy and personality to kitchen spaces. Remember, trends can vary by region and personal taste, so it's essential to choose a style that resonates with your preferences and complements the overall aesthetic of your kitchen.